Welcome back to the Puddin' Creek Rod Shop bonus video. Now, a few videos back, the little woman made some cornbread pancakes and you guys just went nuts over them. Some of you guys emailed us and messaged us and wanted the recipe, and one guy in Australia even emailed us and said, get the little woman to send me that recipe and also get her to sit down and write up step by step how I do it, because I've never even heard of cornbread pancakes. Well, ain't nobody got time for that. But instead, the little woman's going to show you how to make them herself today.
Good afternoon. Apparently, people want to know how to make cornbread pancakes. Now, I'm not Martha Stewart, but this is how I do it. Warm up a little bit of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. About a cup of cornmeal. I use White Lily cornmeal. It's self-rising. A fourth a cup of flour. 1 egg. 3/4 cup of buttermilk. About a teaspoon of sugar. Maybe a little more. That up. Add just a little bit of salt. Maybe just a little bit more buttermilk. My mama taught me how to make cornbread. She never measured anything. You just add a little bit of cornmeal, a little bit of butter, a little bit of milk till you get it where you want it to look like. You can pour it out in a bowl. Okay, while that's in there, we're going to take about 4 tablespoons of butter. Oh, this is about 3 tablespoons of honey. How much ever pepper you want to put in there. It's not going to make it too hot. Might if you let it marinate a little longer. We don't have time for that. Right, and just a little bit of vinegar. Just a dash, not much at all. Get your skillet nice and hot. Then turn your skillet back down. Don't want to burn your batter. much sweetness you want. Pudding Creek likes it sweet. All done.
Good googly moogly. We'll try this distorted one first. Delicious. Get that hot honey going. Son. Now, friends and neighbors, the little woman wanted me to tell you, in the South, we don't put sugar in our cornbread. That's the reason these are called cornbread pancakes. Well, that's it for our bonus video. If you liked the video, leave us a comment and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.